Have you ever thrown out a perfectly good food because of a date on the package? Or worse, eaten expired food and hope for the best? Let's settle this once and for all. Best before versus expiry dates. What's the deal? Hi, I'm Noma, your trusted guide to all things food safety. Today, we are breaking down the difference between best before and expiry dates on your food package. Two terms that confuse even the most savviest grocery shoppers that I know, even my friends and my families. But stick around because this could save someone's life and also save your money. Let's get into it. First of all, we're gonna go into the definitions of best before. Best before is all about quality of food, not safety. It means the food is at its freshest, tastiest, and best texture before this date. After that date, it doesn't mean you should throw away the food. It's up to you. It's in your discretion. The food is also safe to eat. It might lose some flavor or crunch, like your cookies, but it's often still safe to eat. Expiry date. Now, this is the one you really need to respect. An expiry date means the food could become unsafe to eat after that date the manufacturer had put on the label. It's not negotiable, especially for things like baby formula, medications, or dairy products. It's really important that you are checking your dates when you're shopping. You are checking your dates when the food is in your pantry or in your refrigerator. I hear a lot of people ask, should you throw away food as soon as it reaches the expiry date? That one, I will say yes. Throw away the food when it says expiry date, because that's what the manufacturer has told you. If anything happens to you, the manufacturer is no longer liable, right? But for best before, that's not true. You have to know that best before, like I said before, is just about the quality of food. The food might also still be safe to eat if you store them properly, right? So it's on you to store those food properly when you purchase it, when it's in your fridge, when it's in your pantry, and also check the manufacturer's instructions to understand how the food should be stored. Examples are like your bread. The bread might be stale after the date that says best before, but it's still safe when you toast it, and you can also use the crumbs, to do your, to make your chicken or to bake, right? The chips might be, less crunchy after the best before date because it's losing the texture, but it's still safe to eat. It goes back to so many other food. But when it comes to expiry dates, like your milk, if the cancer, if it's sour and there is harmful bacteria growing, no way, throw them away. Medications also, their chemical stability can fail, making them unsafe or ineffective. So please don't eat them, don't use those medications. But, it's really just important that all of us understands, how this could affect us, and also we can save food. There's food insecurity out there now, so we're trying to help the economy and save food. Recently, someone I know ended up in ER, and during investigation, it was found that he actually had a cup of expired milk and couldn't sleep all night. Things like that could be avoided. Why would you want to spend your money and use your money to also hurt yourself? Please, let's be guided and make sure that we are eating right and checking what we eat. It's really, really important. You don't want to put yourself through that. You don't want to also put your family through that. Expiration date is really important to check when you are shopping and also when things are in your home if you want to use it. When in doubt, like I said, always use your senses. Look, smell. You don't have to even test it, although some products or some organisms react even before they smell out or before they show. But make sure you're checking what you're using and the product is also expired. always store food properly, extend its freshness, and don't rely on the dates alone. Please do that. It's not the manufacturer to store it for you when you already bought it out of the shelf. It's on you. They are no longer liable. But freezing, remember that, is your best friend. Freeze what is almost nearing the shelf life and freeze what you can use immediately. Was this video helpful? Let me know in the comments. Share this video with someone who needs to stop wasting good food or risking their health with expired items. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell button for more weekly food safety tips. See you next time. Have a wonderful one. Bye.